set up the kill here. Yeah. Here, put the deer in the pen so we can shoot it.
Watch out. Okay, now we're going to turn left. What am I supposed to do?
We're on good terms now.
Yeah.
Just keep paddling on the left, circle us around.
Hey, Nick, I think we got enough
It
water.
would put us behind them, but
What?
Oh, you want to bet?
No, I don't want to bet.
Whoa!
I bet my arm's length is longer than yours. If I can grab you and pull you in before you
Go!
go. Come on.
Come on, Kyle! You go to...
So is that the first one you've ever caught?
Yeah.
All right.
Whoa, it's wiggling.
Oh. See, now it's sinking in. This isn't so bad.
Look, he's licking his fingers. Must be good.
Right. It's okay. Well, not as... It's pretty bad. I don't know. You think Kyle would be? Not as bad as I thought it would be, but it's nothing I don't think... Nothing I'll be chowing down on anytime
It's an acquired
soon.
taste, I think.
You have to eat like 2 or 3. Once you eat 2 or 3.
You're set. I think the agreement was he would not be bothered to buy them again.
Get down picture and go away. He goes. Oh, that's the woods. Hey, he's videotaping this. You can't play the same trick twice.
What?
He thinks we're stupid. Yeah. You can't play the same trick twice.
You can't?
No.
Oh, how about now? Can I
Okay,
now?
I'm going to go tell the story now.
Have you seen a